Unangilam kaliang persyaw Dr. Mukul sangma ulong bagi Asian Development Bank, kadai ban ujo dak Ejahar Halor kejingbanan kam bakla ke Meecl, ban pentre kami ke projek smart meter ke bashi spotlight puar $0.5 million. Habaikran beginang thok kubor hadin belawai ke dorbar ka shiphotere unailur aja arpwe, u Dr. Mukul ulong bagi Adb berkiwei par kibor, kadai ban ujor Halor kejingkano Bamsap, hake Meecl, kamta mikitu ki bedan keti kat kum ki kendon jongkaan. U Dr. Mukul ulong bagi Adb berkiwei par kibor, kidai ban ujor, kat kum ki kendon jongkaan, Halor ke jingkano Bamsap hai Meecl, kam tami kitu ki bedan keti. Ulong syu bagi Adb kadai ban yak cakmat berkani ka kam, berkadai ban penpau baka tibat skau kia Halor ke Kam Bamsap.
Alleged instances of corruption that has taken place at the time of implementation of number of programs have been hitting the media headlines. Media's print or electronic have all carried this news repeatedly, not just once, but there has been repetition. And not just one particular instance of alleged irregularity and alleged instances of corruption pertaining to implementation of only one project, but pertaining to quite a number of projects under Meecl. Therefore, if you look at various inputs which have started coming out along the media reports, it only substantiates these allegations that there is a reason to believe that something serious instances of alleged corruption need to be probed. I must tell you in the instant case. Now, since this is an input which is available before the people, before the state, specific to an instance of alleged corruption resulting in loss to the state exchequer, the government and the authorities all involved in implementation of this project must take cognizance of this, whatever information is available, revolving around these alleged irregularities and alleged corruption. An FIR has to be lodged, a case has to be registered, and that is the most appropriate action that has to be taken. In fact, even Adb should lodge an FIR and proceed further to give us an impression and somehow insulate itself from the perception that they also have, we have reasons to believe their complicity in the instant allegation of irregularity and instant allegation of corruption pertaining to implementation of smart meter.